Hi, my name is Anthony Arend, and I'm going to be teaching international law in the fall. So there are several main learning goals for the course. First, we're going to learn the stuff of international law. And by that I mean the substance of international law. We'll talk about the sources of international law, how international law is created. We'll look at the subjects of international law. That would be the actors who have rights and duties under international law. We'll look at jurisdiction. We'll look at immunity from jurisdiction. We'll look at the law of the sea, air law, space law, human rights law, state responsibility for injury to aliens. We'll look at the law relating to the recourse to force and the laws of war, the basic stuff of international law. Second, we'll learn legal method. We'll see how concrete legal principles are applied to concrete legal cases. Third, we'll learn critical thinking and critical writing and critical speaking. So there will be writing assignments, and there will also be extensive classroom discussion. A semi-Socratic method will be used to get the students to engage and to be able to talk about legal principles. So, who should take international law? Well, anybody that's interested in the substance of international law, anybody that wants to know a little bit about legal method. I'm not trying to prepare people to be lawyers, although undoubtedly there will be some people in the class who will have law degrees, but rather the purpose is to make you fluent in international law. So when you become a leader in the public sector, private sector, or nonprofit sector, you'll be able to interact well with international lawyers. You'll be able to ask the right questions, you'll be able to understand their responses, and it'll make you a better leader and a better manager. So I specialize in international law and have been teaching international law here at Georgetown University for 27 years, and I love it. So the course will be conducted in a Socratic fashion. I will ask questions students about various legal issues, pose hypotheticals. The requirements in the course are really twofold. On the one hand, there will be 4 legal memorandum assignments. What I'll do is I'll give the students a hypothetical, a scenario, and then we'll ask them to respond to this scenario with a short legal memorandum. Perhaps they'll be an attorney needing to argue a particular way in a particular case, or perhaps they will be the judge. So there'll be 4 of those legal memoranda. The second way in which students will be evaluated is through class participation. It's a very, very important part of understanding the law and being able to think on one's feet about the law. So if you want to know more about international law, I do have a syllabus online. Feel free to check it out, but you can also come by and see me or send me an email. I'm more than happy to talk about all the details of the class.